Hello, my friend. This is Kevin Liu from Honan Yushin Tools Corporation Limited, and today I want to share our new measuring devices. Which one is 2-in-1 measuring tools? What's the meaning of 2-in-1? Let me show you. As what you see, this have this LCD screen, right? This is laser. This is a laser measurement. As what you see, they have three buttons, and also with this port, mini port. This port is for the rechargeable cable, like this. Yeah. Firstly, let me show you how to use it. First, press the on button, not release, for 20 seconds, and then repress it. And make the changes between the units, meters, inches, and feet. Yeah, it's inches, it's meter. Yeah, if meter was chosen, then press the off button and choose this and choose meter model. And then, if you need a single element, you can press the on button. Press the on button, like the on button. Yeah, like this. First, select, press, and then release. You can find it the port. It is ready. It's getting ready and for the measurement. Then press button, press the on button. It's for the single measurement. Yeah, you can find it. Yeah, like this. If you need your continuous measurement, also press this button. This is another measurement. Yeah. And if you remove a clear memory measurement, you can press the all button. Yeah, you can release. You can remove that. And the middle button is for the functions changes. You can change three modes. For the single measurement, area measurement, volume, and Pythagorean measurement. Let me show you. Yeah, this is Pythagorean, yeah. Yeah, this is area. Press this button. It's also same operation like this. Press on button. Yeah, this is the length, and also for the width. Yeah, then you can find it the area. Yeah, you can see the unit. Yeah, you can make changes between for volume. Yeah, it's volume. Yes, press. Yeah, you can find it. You can find its volume. Yeah. Just add what you see, and this one is equipped with built-in lithium batteries and full charge. Full charge can last about 4 days measurement. Yeah, this is also have a function. It's power off, and after 15 seconds without any operation, this is the power will be power off. It for save the power. Yeah. It's also this is the laser measurement. As what I told you, and this laser measurement can measure up to 6 meters, yeah. And the minimum length for laser measurement is about 30 centimeters. Yeah, it's power off. Yeah. Now another part I want to show you the ordinary, because as I told you, it's 2-in-1. Another one is the ordinary self-lock tip measures. Yeah, like this. This is self-lock. You can pull out this tip. It is also hold it automatically. Yeah. Press this button. It can retract the inside blade. As what you see, our blade is carbon steels and with nylon coated finish. It's wear resistant. And for this model, we also make it for the double side graduation. This one is one side, another one is also with scales. If you don't need the metric scales graduations, we can make it as per your requirement. Yeah. Okay. And for this one, tip is also equipped with strong magnetic hook. It's very convenient and useful. Pick up small steel parts like this. Yeah, you can check its clippers. You can pick it up. Yeah, you can also pick up the small tip wires. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. It's equipped with a strong belt clip. It's very convenient for your carriage after usage. And for this model, we also equipped with the color box or double blister card. If you have any question or if you take interest in, just contact with Kevin or send the emails. My email address is Kevin